Hey pals, we are here at Disney's Hilton Head Resort. We are going to give you a room tour for a deluxe studio. Now this room is a DVC room, but you don't have to be a DVC member to stay here. So as soon as we come in, we have our kitchenette, and you have a full-size coffee maker. You even have Joffrey's coffee. You have a toaster, a microwave, and down here you have a mini fridge or beverage cooler. Let's see if there's anything up here, and just storage. Inside the drawer, you got can opener and plasticware. More storage underneath. Here's where your trash can is, and there's also a dish drainer, your ice container, and also cups and paperware. So as we move around, right to the right, as soon as you walk in, you have a closet with extra pillows and blanket and plenty of room. Also, there's a broom in there and a vacuum. And then we have the bathroom. Just quite cute. And you do have your shampoo, body wash, and conditioner on the wall. And you also have hand soap and lotion. Hey pals. There's some, oh, here's where your hair dryer is located and extra toilet paper. So as we come into the studio area, this room can be a connecting room, and there's where the connecting door is. You have a luggage rack, and right here you have a queen size bed themed with the live oak headboard for a Hilton Head vibe. And you do have a couch right over here, and that is a pull out. So this room can sleep up to 4 adults and an infant if in a pack and play. You have a table right here with 2 chairs. So we also have a balcony out here, and let's go check that out. You got 2 rocking chairs, and it is a rainy day, and I think that is where I'm gonna be today. And you have a little table out here that will set 4. Very spacious out here. Very spacious. You can see the marsh a little bit. And it looks like they got horseshoes in the game. There's another public seating area right there. That's pretty much our view, is the resort and a little snippet of the marsh.